Hello everyone, welcome to Leetcode Weekly Contest 418, and we are solving question number 1, that is maximum possible number by binary concatenation. So what we have to do is we are given an integer array of size 3 and we have to return the maximum possible number whose binary representation can be found by concatenation of binary representation of all the numbers in nums in some order. And we have given a note that binary representation of any number does not contain leading zeros. Okay, so we are given a vector of integers nums. It will be of size 3, that is fixed of size, and we have to arrange these three integers values in some order, that if we convert those corresponding values to a binary representation and concatenate in the same order, and finally the binary value that we get, if we convert that to integer value, that should be maximum as possible. So 1 2 3, so there are 6 ways to arrange these numbers, but we have to find the one which will give me the maximum value. So 3 1 2, this is the maximum value because 3 will be 1 1, 1 will be 1, and 2 is 1 0. So we have to basically the most significant bit, we have to make it 1 in order to maximize our answer. In 2 8 and 16, how it is done, it is given that 2 8 and 16. Why so? Because 16 will have more zeros at its right side, and basically using 2 was here optimal in order to maximize our answer. So this is our function that we have given, that is max good numbers. We are given vector of nums. So what I'm doing is I have first created a vector of string a. In vector of string, I will be basically storing the binary representation of my numbers into string format, and for that I'm going to use into binary function that I have implemented here. What it is doing is it is basically taking the particular integer value, it is converting it based on its binary representation into a string and basically returning that string value. Okay, and when I have got that my vector of string, I'm basically sorting it based on the value that will give me the maximum initial sum at the. So for example, this is, I have customized my sort function to give me that value initially that will give me a higher value. So if I concatenate 3 and 1, so that will give me 1 1 1, and so that won't affect. But if my 2 uh, 2 is basically 1 0, and if I'm using 1 3, so if I concatenate like this and otherwise I concatenate like this, which one is going to give me the maximum value? The second one, obviously. So that is for what I have used this customized function. And then I am taking a string s, in which I will basically concatenate the strings in the same order after my customized sort. Then I have reversed it because I have to deal with uh, the bits basically. So my most significant bit should get the higher value, so I'm using the power function. So for that only I have reversed it and started checking and storing my answer in my answer after the calculation based on the value, either it is 0 or 1. If it is set, then I'm making use of this, otherwise I'm not, and finally I'm returning this answer. So this was all for this question. If you have any query, do comment it out, do give it a like if you understand it, and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.